Got it, got it, got it. No, no, absolutely bang on. So maybe just carrying forward the same set of conversation. So like you mentioned, like you've been into legal risk mitigation also. So just coming a thought there. So what is there any kind of legal risk also involved when you deal with these vendors, outside stakeholders? Because you do the due diligence. So there are a variety of diligence we've been talking about. So is there any legal vetting also being done? And if it is there, like how you guys strategize or tackle this legal risk mitigation while having a contract with outsiders.
So I'll give you an example, and it has nothing to do with, my regular work. And I think all of us as lawyers, or even if you are non-lawyers, it will help you to gain one legal tip. So we are all aware that as in-house counsels, when you are working full-time, you do not get to practice in the court of law because our bar licenses are suspended. And that's exactly what is required under the BCI Code of Conduct. Now, what we have realized is that when we engage with our senior partners, law firm partners especially, so if you are working in an MNC, one of the most critical requirement, as we know, is the FCPA, what we call as the anti-bribery requirement. So that is something that falls under the legal risk, because whatever happens, or in case of any incident by an affiliate company of a US company, the parent company is the one which is held liable, irrespective of wherever or whichever affiliate commits any kind of wrongdoing. So that makes it very critical for any US company to ensure that their affiliates comply with the FCPA rules. Or it was until Trump actually suspended the extraterritorial jurisdiction of the FCPA. But having said that, so in our in-house legal counsel, as an in-house legal counsel, one of the key requirements is to ensure that in order to mitigate these legal risks relating to anti bribery, we get a commitment from our partners, vendors, and sometimes even law firms to ensure that they comply with these rules. Uh, so, this is something that we have come across where lawyers who practice generally don't sign any such thing. I'll tell you why. Because anyways, under the Bar Council of India, the Code of Conduct, lawyers are required to ensure that they provide their services with highest level of integrity and quality. So it's already there that as lawyers, we uphold the integrity of our profession and do not indulge in any wrongdoing whatsoever. So there we have seen, and there are many times, despite the FCPA, we have taken waivers from our parent organization to ensure that we engage with our legal counsel, but within the very code of conduct of the Bar Council of India. So this is like
Mm.
a pro tip for anyone to understand that in India, lawyers are required to act with the highest integrity
Yeah.
under the Bar Council Code of Conduct.
Right, 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 right. So this is what, the practical, industry specific information probably the audience would be looking out for. And there you go. Great insight.